Good day, everyone. I'm Mary J. M. Taruat,
I'm Alicia Masicampo,
And I'm Bailani S. Mamasakitaw.
and we are from.
BSBA 1.
And for today's video,
We will discuss to you the different patterns in nature.
But first of all, what is patterns in nature?
Patterns in nature are visible regularities of forms found in natural world. These patterns occur in different contexts and can sometimes be molded mathematically. Natural patterns include symmetries, fractals, spirals, meanders, waves, foams, tessellations, cracks, and stripes.
But in this video, we are just going to show you some of the patterns in nature. First on the list is symmetries. Symmetry is defined as proportionate and balanced similarities that found in two halves of an object. That is, one half is the mirror image of the other half. Our first example is this butterfly plant. If you fold this in half, you will get two similar pieces. The next one is this cat, which is if you hide the other half of its body, you will get a perfect symmetry. Our next pattern is fractals. Fractal is a pattern that the laws of nature repeat at different scales. Fractal is a never-ending pattern. It is an infinitely complex patterns that are self-similar across different scales. First example is this casket plant. And next, this tree philodendron plant. The next one is succulent cactus. The next pattern is spiral. Spiral is a curved pattern that focuses on a center point and a series of circular shapes that revolve around it. Example is the shell of a snail. And a mosquito coil that made into a spiral. And our last pattern in this video is tessellation. Tessellation is created when a shape is repeated over and over again, covering a plane without any gaps or overlaps. One example is this cement tile.
And that's all for today's video.
thank you for watching.